Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got my husband the perfect gift. It's a 7-in-1 grooming set by Spa Life and he just loves it. The 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner by Spa Life leaves my husband's head feeling nice and moisturized. What I really like about it is that you don't need a lot, so you really get the bang for your buck, and he loves it too. The Post Shave Lotion is definitely one of his favorite things that come in the grooming set because he says that it really keeps his skin nice and moisturized, and it helps with razor bumps, which is a big thing for a guy. It also comes with a body wash and a foot stone. It really helps with those cracked heels. You really could get in there and it feels so good. And that's not it. It comes with lotion. Everyone needs lotion. My husband can get very ashy, especially in the summertime, so this really helps him out a lot and he loves it. And it comes with this cute little bag that keeps everything nice and organized. It can definitely be hard to keep things organized, but this makes it nice and easy. So if you're looking to get your husband a gift, or if you're a man and you just want to try some new products that are really amazing and really feels good on your skin, I would highly recommend this product by Spa Life. And that's my point of view.